Sound. What is sound? Sound creates matter. You might want to cover your ears for the last bit of this one. Swiss scientist Hans Jenny studied the field of cymatics. What is cymatics? It's the study of sound and vibration made visible. Hans discovered that sound waves passed through various kinds of malleable matter, such as water and sand, causing the formation of geometric patterns. Sound. The power of sound. Sound is all around us. Sound. We can't see it, but it exists. Waves. Frequencies. Vibrations. Sound is maths. Sound is geometry. Fibonacci was an Italian 13th century mathematician who studied a sequence of numbers and introduced them to the world. A quote from Nikola Tesla: "If you want to know the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." Sound is harmony. Cymatics is the visual. Fibonacci, golden ratio, is the maths behind it. And you can't argue with maths. Sound is matter. Sound matters. Close your eyes. Picture it. Nighttime. Pitch black. Not a sound. Just you and the radio. There's a voice on the air. You don't know who it is or what they're going to say next. But you're with them. Just you and that voice. They can take you anywhere. A busy street in New York City. Traffic going by. Hustle and bustle. To a quiet, lonely forest. Birds singing. A light breeze blowing through the trees. Or how about a beach on an exotic island? Nothing but the waves crashing on the shore. That voice can take you anywhere. See what happened there? Your senses heightened. You used your imagination to create those pictures in your mind to coincide with the sounds you were actually hearing. Your voice. The power of the human voice. You control the silence. The way you use your voice, you create the emotions. Those few seconds, minutes you're on air, you have that control. Make them smile. Make them laugh. Make them cry. Interest them. Entertain.
Listening to XYZ FM. It's a hip-hop happening DJ here. How does this song make you feel?
I can't live if living is without you.
And this one?
Something tells me I'm into something good. Something tells me I'm into something. She's the kind of girl.
How about this one?
Jump for my love. Jump in and feel my touch. Jump if you wanna take my kisses in the night. Jump for.
And how does this one make you feel?
It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. They have everything for young men to enjoy. You can hang out.
And how does this one make you feel? Or this one?
Sound is matter. Your physical body is matter. Your body is a transmitter and a receiver. Your voice, the music. When you're on air, you have that power of sound. So if your physical body is matter, the music and sound you expose yourself to, therefore, are literally transforming you.